So in this problem, we are told that we are given a set that has 28 elements in it. And we want to know how many of its subsets have at most 3 elements. Well, this one is actually straightforward enough that we can just simply count them. In our set of 28 elements, if we want to choose no elements whatsoever, then our 28 choose 0 gives us one way in which we can do that. Likewise, in our set of 28 elements, if we want to choose a subset that has 1 element in it, then that gives us really 28 ways in which we can do it. Our number of ways in which we can choose 2 elements from a set of 28 elements is 378 ways. And finally, since we want at most 3 elements, the number of ways in which we can choose 3 elements from a collection of 28 is 3,276. And so our number of possible subsets, of at most 3 elements will be 1 plus 28 plus 378 plus 3,276, giving us a grand total of 3,683.